Hi, this is Steve. I'm out on the property in the middle of the week because I have all my doors and a good percentage of my windows on order too. So, what we did is went and visited a reclamation yard. Now, I know odd sized doors don't work for most people, but this is a brand new build and they'll work for me. Underneath, I've got the ones for the outside garage, I've got the ones for the back all done. So I feel real good about that. That's a lion's share of the load, and I'm gonna guess I paid 1/10 of what they would have been brand new. I've got Pella windows coming in. I think I paid $75 a piece for those, and I know that they're more than that. I've got the bathroom windows. And all these are the exterior ones are all fire rated. They're fire rated doors. So uh, now they're heavy, so I'll be bringing the fork truck around to go get that. But it's nice to get out here in the middle of the week and do a little bit of moving. My gutters that I put up are still, let me turn the camera around, they're still up. So that's a pretty good thing too. So I got those all up. I don't know what the inside of the containers are, but in the sunshine they feel every bit of 90. So like I say, it's really critical that I get up there and end up wrapping this thing of concrete. But they're holding on. Of course, I don't have rain for a week. At least I'll have the doors in place. And the next big project is to do all the logging anyway. Got 5 logs on the ground. Found a bunch in the piles out here that I'll be bringing around. So my guess was I need 50 good sized logs. So and then I've got the design work that I'm working on for the wraparound porch. That'll be good. And all is going real well. So this is Steve with 1,000-Year Homes. I've got fire rated 1,000-year doors. I've got a lot of the windows ready. So that's all good stuff. Okay, unloading all the windows I bought today and doors. And you'll notice a full $25. $25 for a full exterior door wrapped in metal, 8 foot, double pane glass, not fogged. That particular one even has a pet door for my rabbit. So I don't even have to cut that in. I was worried what I was going to do with my rabbit. So I got 17 doors and windows. So that ought to take care of this little house. I'll accept a few odds and ends that I'll need, and I'll go back and visit. So real good deals today. And this is definitely making this construction go a lot faster. So the next big thing is the logging. Once I have all the logs, then I know that I can complete this thing. And I'll do the bedroom and bathroom first. I got to pull the permit on the bathroom, site permit. So, and septic here in Texas, and away we go. But yeah, let's see. I bought 10 doors, and I'm using those for the garage. So I'll bifold them in the middle and put glides in them, so they'll fold and then fold out, and they'll be facing the east, so it'll catch the morning sun. So when it's not a garage and I'm using it as a breakfast nook, I'll still have that morning sun coming in. And then I've got good Pella windows, 4 of those, large windows, 40 by 40 or more, for the bedrooms, so that people can get out. They'll open up and they can get out. And then I have the windows up in the top, and I'm going to be ordering some more additional stained glass windows, again going with the whole southwestern motif on this thing, a little cloister, an Alamo, if you will. But yeah, these are incredibly heavy. So I'm doing it only 3 at a time, and my fork truck is going, oh, those are heavy. So they're taking me a little bit of energy to get those done. And but certainly those are going to get a long way towards 1,000 years. I don't know, maybe 100 years. Maybe I can get 100 years out of a door. Somebody in the future, whoever owns this place, then let me know if these doors are still around in 100 years. Well, after moving all of those windows and doors, I've got a little bit of time, so I'm going to run up and put my brush hog on the mower and on the tractor and mow it around. So off with the newsboy and on with the cowboy. I came home so sunburned the other day. These cowboy hats aren't just for show. Here down here in Texas. Oh, the sun's like 8 inches above my fingertips right now, just burning down on me.